If you got your hand too close to it, it'll burn. She resets them off. They set some off at the house.
Oh, here we go. Power rocket.
They give those away to you.
That's a power rocket. Don't even do nothing.
That's how they were last night. I set off 4 of them right back to back with each other and there were nothing.
That's a ball
All right,
rocket.
Cameron, y'all come out here.
Come on, Cameron.
Well, you scared that they're gonna?
Here, let me see the lighter.
Are you scared that they're gonna
Blow up, man. They're gonna blow
All
up.
right, here.
They're not gonna blow.
That way.
All
Hey, 2 lighters gonna probably hit 2
I
white
got to
lighters.
do is just spark.
That one of them's mine then.
That brown one's in the background. And I got another one, American flag in the front.
Ooh.
Ain't that big steel?
It's gonna pop out, boy.
I was about to say he got a dud. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God. Man, y'all turn to the left. Was that the finale?
Oh
No?
no!
What was that?
The grand finale was it's gonna be the big boom box.
Oh.
It's a bomb.
It's a bomb?
Yep. They set it off with fire.
A lot of them from State Line Fireworks.